When I walk into a space, there's different elements that I like to pay attention to that help inspire me to create a dish. And one of those things that I'm looking at in this space is the elevated design of the appliances, the really beautiful and elegant design of this range, and the pass-through window going to the exterior with this beautiful grill and outdoor kitchen. This set just says so much to me about like summer barbecues and summer vibes. And ribs are a super common thing that you'd find at a barbecue, but typically they're gonna be pork, which are great, but these style of beef ribs are something that's gonna be a little bit of a showstopper. We're gonna be doing a dry rub with Ras el Hanout, which is a Middle Eastern and Moroccan spice blend. And we're gonna be drizzling that with a Salsa Verde made from flat leaf parsley and Moroccan preserved lemons and capers.